Well, I should say something about the company that I got this vent fan from. Maxxair Fan. A little over $300 worth of fan. Bought that fan in 2019. And it served me pretty well for close to 2 years. At the end of 2 years, it started shorting or something. Green light would come on. It was a series of beeps. You have to go back there and pull the fuse to reset it. Then it may or may not work, or just start behaving the way it did with the beeping and shutting down. And I tolerated it for close to a year. After owning the fan for about 3 years and being at least a year out of warranty, I called the company and they sent me a circuit board. They said that should take care of it, free of charge. Had to wait for it. There were shipping problems, but it finally made its way out. I got it, installed it, and it didn't really fix the problem. Not properly. So I called him back to let him know how it was doing. And the guy says, well, I'm just going to send you a fan. Now keep in mind, I'm well out of warranty. These guys really didn't have to do anything. I think they realized they had an issue with that year, 2019. There were a lot of problems with these fans. At least there seems to be a pretty good handful of people that had problems. But they sent me a new fan. And I was able to just remove the 4 screws and exchange the fans. Pulled the old one out of my roof, put the new one in. And so far it's been behaving quite well. It's a fairly nice night tonight. It's about 11 p.m. I'm catching the news. And the fan is doing a fine job of keeping it comfortable in here, because it's pretty cool and crisp and not a bad night. Sounds like we got some weather coming later in the week. It is certainly nice and a lot more discreet to be able to just pull up and turn the fan on and be comfortable. But just want to thank the guys over at Maxxair Fan for really making an effort to make it right. They were really good people, understanding, listened to my complaints. Ultimately, well, they've treated me good, and I feel they've taken care of the problem. But kudos to Maxxair Fan.